Hey, fantastic viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Your curiosity is truly inspiring. Today, we're embarking on an intriguing journey. What if there were no countries? But before we dive into this vast hypothetical, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. Now, let's set the stage by delving into a bit of history. The concept of countries and borders has a rich history. Nations, as we know them today, have evolved over centuries. From ancient city-states to vast empires, the world has witnessed the rise and fall of various political entities, each leaving its mark on the tapestry of human civilization. The modern nation-state, characterized by defined borders and a centralized government, became more prevalent in the 17th and 18th centuries. The Westphalian system established the idea of sovereign states, ushering in an era where territories were clearly demarcated, each with its own set of rules and governance. Borders, often drawn through treaties, wars, and negotiations, became integral to defining national identities. The struggles for independence and the formation of new countries shaped the world map, influencing cultures, languages, and traditions. Fast forward to today, where we're accustomed to passports, visas, and national flags. But let's rewind our minds and imagine a world where these concepts never took root, a world without the geopolitical divisions we've grown accustomed to. Now, back to our hypothetical journey. Without borders, how would history have unfolded differently? Would there have been the same struggles for independence and the same geopolitical tensions? It's a tantalizing thought. Traveling further into this realm of imagination, consider the impact on cultural exchange. Countries, with their unique identities, have often served as stewards of cultural heritage. But what if cultural exchange was not confined by national boundaries? Would our world be a melting pot of traditions and customs? Sports, another global phenomenon, often carries national pride. Yet, in a borderless world, how would sports evolve? Perhaps we'd witness new forms of competition, emphasizing collaboration and unity on a global scale. Now, as we return to reality, I want to hear your reflections. How does understanding the history of countries and borders shape your perspective on the idea of a world without them? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This brief history reminds us that the world we know has been shaped by the ebb and flow of nations. If you've enjoyed this historical detour, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our community of inquisitive minds. Until next time, keep imagining, keep exploring, and keep being awesome.